To enable extended hours on Webull, start by logging into your Webull account on the mobile app or website. Once you are logged in, navigate to the account settings or profile section. This is usually represented by a gear icon or your profile picture. In the account settings, look for the option labeled Trading or Market Hours. Click on this option to view the available trading hours and settings. Extended hours trading allows you to trade before and after regular market hours, typically from 4 a.m. to 9 a.m. and 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Time. To enable extended hours, toggle the switch next to the extended hours option. You may need to confirm that you understand the risks associated with extended hours trading. Extended hours trading can be more volatile and may have lower liquidity, so it is essential to thoroughly understand the risks before participating. After enabling extended hours, you can start trading during the extended hours periods. You can place orders, buy, and sell stocks just like you would during regular market hours. Keep in mind that some stocks may not be available for extended hours trading, and you should always check the trading hours for the specific stock you are interested in. It is also important to note that extended hours trading may have different rules and regulations than regular market hours trading. For example, some brokerages may have specific requirements or restrictions for extended hours trading, such as higher margin requirements or trading limits. To get the most out of extended hours trading on Webull, make sure to stay up to date with market news and trends. You can use Webull's built-in news and analysis tools to stay informed and make more informed trading decisions. Additionally, consider setting price alerts and other notifications to stay on top of market movements during extended hours. By following these steps and understanding the risks and benefits of extended hours trading, you can start trading during extended hours on Webull and potentially take advantage of new trading opportunities. Always prioritize risk management and trading discipline when trading during extended hours.